You're so pretty. You're so handsome.
Oh, God, please, no! No!
Everybody likes to listen to compliments about their appearances, and it's a great way to connect with another person very quickly. But you're so pretty and you're so handsome are so common and overused. They're not special anymore. Today, 闪英 Blinglish is going to show you 8 different idiomatic expressions to compliment on another person's appearance without sounding like a cliche. So let's get right into it. Stunning. Gorgeous. You look stunning today. That's a gorgeous dress. Sharp. Smart. Man, you look sharp today. That's a smart-looking suit. Radiant. You look absolutely radiant this evening. Look like $1,000,000. Wow, you look like $1,000,000 today. What did you do? A knockout. Did you see Tom's new girlfriend? She's a knockout. Turn heads. Everywhere they go, they're turning heads. Breathtaking. Wow, you look breathtaking in that. A charmer. Nick is such a charmer. All the ladies like him. Do you find that helpful? I hope so. If you like this video, please like it and comment and let us know what else do you want to learn in the next episode. And we'll see you guys next time in 闪英 Blinglish. Follow us. Bye.